Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing everything on C. Backup user folders and system images so you can restore if needed. Once done, create Windows recovery media and record any product keys, and make sure BitLocker is suspended so files aren't locked. Next, sign out synced accounts and unlink OneDrive. This prevents cloud deletions. Start disk cleanup as an initial pass to remove temp files, then move on to targeted removals of large user data and apps. You now remove the big space users, uninstall apps from Settings apps, and then restart when prompted to free locked files. After that, scan C. With storage settings or a folder size tool to locate folders over 1 GB and delete only content you backed up or no longer need. Empty the recycle bin and clear browser caches and temp files to reclaim space immediately. Make sure to verify each folder before deleting and confirm you're not removing system. You finish by choosing a secure end state. Use Windows Reset this PC and pick Remove Everything to clear C, while reinstalling Windows or boot from Recovery USB for a clean install if you want a factory-like wipe. Follow prompts to remove personal files and optionally wipe drives for extra thoroughness. After completion, reinstall drivers and restore only necessary data. If the process fails or Windows won't boot, boot recovery media. Run startup repair or restore your image backup to recover the system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.